My name's Rabbit, like the animal. All day today, it's very important you keep your thumb under, your forefingers over the teeth, just like this. Volcanoes are extinct or dormant now, but there's a lava that makes up basically all of the land and the rocks and the substrate here. Stroke at the same time. That's what drives us forward, whoosh, 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 instead of, you know, but you're doing really great. This is not a complaint. This is more like refinement. Hey folks. Hi. Oh, wind got it. Anyway, doesn't matter. If you notice, not yet, y'all. Woo, woo. Still. Three more, three. Two more, two.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Nice done, guys. Nice done. Two forward, two.
Woo!
Woo! And off, forward, off. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Woo!
Let's go.
Woo! Oh! Woo!
Keep going.
Woo! 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 Woo!
All back on. All back on.
Woo!
Nicely done.
Woo!
Nice done, guys. Nice done.
Nine.
Woo!
Nice done, guys. Take a break. Two forward, two. Two more, two. Look at that beautiful water. Go.
Woo!
Go. Go.
Woo! 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 Yeah!
Come on, everybody down.
Woo!
Three more, three. Three more, three. We're wave train. Let's go all forward, all. Keep going.
Woo!
Going. Nice done, guys. Take a break. I don't guess y'all want to swim, do you?
Wow!
We're going in, all forward, all.
Okay. Woo!
Well, I've been doing outdoor sports for 15 years. This is my 9th summer on whitewater, and only my 2nd time being out in hail.
Wow.
Cut it off. Over there smiling.
Yeah.
What, who does?
Yeah.
Thanks for doing the hard work, fellas. We appreciate you. We're almost there. We're gonna make better time if we work together. We're all in sync with one another. We work together, everybody in sync with one another. Okay, everybody stop. Okay. Hey, you got aunties and uncles and cousins and stuff. They're like, I don't want to go, it's gonna be cold. And when you get home, they're gonna be, see, I told you.